fellow collectors, and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at a Skeletor with Flocked Panthor set from the Masters of the Universe line from Mega Construx. So obviously the original Panther toy was flocked, and since then what they've been doing is giving us kind of a plastic version first, and then coming out with a flocked variant after the fact. So there was a normal version of Panther in the Point Dread set, and now they're giving us this flocked variant. And in the Origins line, they put out a normal plastic Panther, but they have promised us a flocked variant as well. So I guess it's a way to trick us into buying two versions of every Panther, so I guess smart on them. But in any case, this is a cool little set. It's literally just the Flocked Panthor and Skeletor. I found this at Walmart. I believe it was around $10 if I'm remembering correctly, so not too bad. There's not too much to the set. It's literally just the two figures, but pretty fun to get a Flocked Panthor, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to go ahead and get this guy out of the packaging, and we'll take a closer look. So here they are out of the packaging. We'll take a look at the Skeletor first. He looks pretty good. Typical articulation for a He-Man Mega Construx figure, really most Mega Construx figures. You have a ball joint for the head, you have a swivel and rotation in the shoulder, you have a hinge and rotation in the elbow, you have a wrist rotation, as you can see there. He's got a limited waist articulation, ball joint in the hip, and then you have kind of a little bit less than 90 degrees in the knee. But he looks pretty good. He comes with a purple axe. Can't go wrong there. And he does have peg holes on the bottom, so if you want to peg him into... This set actually did come with a small base here. So if you want to go ahead and peg him in, you certainly can. Or you can peg in Panther as well. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at the man of the hour, or the cat of the hour, as it were. Flocked Panthor. He looks really good. They did a really nice job with this. He's got a ball joint here at the tail, ball joint in the leg. You can see he's got the peg holes in the back feet. Doesn't have it in the front feet, but he does have it in the back feet, so you can peg him onto a base if you like. Ball joint here. And then you have a hinge and swivel at the two front paws, which are not in the back paws. That's one solid piece there. And then you have a kind of hinge that swivels here, kind of like where the neck transitions into the body. And then at the very base of the neck up here, you have a ball joint. And then you also have the same, like a barbell piece here for the base of the skull as well. So you can move these all around. A lot of nice rotation there. But he looks great. Really, really nice job with this. Now, they also included the Battle Cat helmet. I'm not really sure why. They also did this with the Point Dread set, and I thought it was weird then as well, because I don't really remember him ever wearing this. But they included it, so if you want to go ahead, you can. You can see he's got a peg hole there on the top of his head, because it really is just the same mold that they used for Cringer and Battle Cat. So it's all right there if you want to go ahead and use it. But yeah, the flocked aspect, I think they did a really nice job. I'm going to move Skeletor off to the side real quick and bring in the Panther from the Point Dread set. And you can see the difference. This one was done in the normal plastic, and unfortunately his tail has fallen off somewhere. I have to go find that, but he did have a tail. So you can see the flocked nature versus the normal plastic. But I have to say, I also really like the green eyes. I think that's a much better improvement over the yellow eyes there. So I think that was definitely an improvement. But yeah, I gotta say, this is an upgrade I think is definitely worth picking up, especially since the set's relatively inexpensive. And if you really don't want the Point Dread set for some reason, then you don't have to even bother with this one. I think in this case, the flocked version is definitely superior. They did a really, really nice job, and I'm very happy with it. So I definitely recommend picking this set up. Like I said, I think it was like $10 at Walmart. Should be fairly easy to find. And he looks great. The Flocked Panthor looks and feels fantastic. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, thanks so much for watching.